Alright everyone, welcome back to another edition of the Combustion Guys Energy Drink Monday.
Howdy, howdy, howdy.
And today we have Celsius Live Fit Sparkling Grape Rush.
That sounds like a grape drink.
Yep, it definitely grape. I wonder what the rush part is though. That's kind of interesting. Anyways, so so far all the Celsiuses have been pretty good. So we'll see how this one tastes. But let's look at the important factoids.
The tea ones are kind of
Yeah, a little bit off, but who knows. Anyways, we got ourselves 10 calories. We got 2 grams of carbohydrate. That's not too bad so far. 60 milligrams of vitamin C, 1.7 milligrams of riboflavin, 10 milligrams of niacin, 2 milligrams of B6, 6 micrograms of B12, some 300 micrograms of biotin, 10 milligrams of some lovely acid. We have 50 milligrams of calcium, 50 micrograms of chromium, and 0 milligrams of sodium.
Chromium? I wonder what chromium is good for.
Not sure. And 200 milligrams of lovely caffeine in the entire can.
If we have all those ingredients, we just drink this stuff, and we're never like, oh, I wonder what that does.
I wonder what that does, yeah. We never question. Interesting, right?
We just believe.
We believe. Because we haven't had any major issues, so we believe. Anyways.
Yeah, it just kills you slowly.
Yeah. I don't know. Kind of smells like a grape popsicle.
I haven't had a good grape soda in a while, so this will be nice. You're a real big fan of grape soda.
I'm a huge fan of grape soda. No.
Diamond tap.
I might actually be really close to Diamond Tap.
Unfortunately, that's what happens.
Yep. Yeah, definitely in that grape popsicle flavor.
It's kind of like a flat grape soda. Not bad, not bad. It's got what, 5 calories, 0 calories?
10 calories, yeah.
Wow. It's with 0 sugar.
And only
That's
2
not too
grams of
bad.
carbohydrates, so.
Wow. That's probably some good carbohydrates.
Yeah, that too. Man, it's not bad. Definitely not my go-to though, just flavor-wise, but overall,
get a grape in the market. That's pretty good.
Yeah.
I don't remember if we've had a grape monster. Ultraviolet. There might have been a grape.
That might have been, yeah. I'm not sure. I don't think I've ever seen a grape monster that just had grape on it, anyways.
I think it was called ultraviolet. It's kind of like a lavender can.
Well, yep,
Yeah,
definitely.
that's good.
It's not bad. Yep.
Nope.
I definitely would not get it again just for the grape thing, but
it's fizzy.
it's
so.
fizzy. It's got a nice, refreshing taste, and yeah, it's pretty good. So
one of the teas.
yeah, exactly. Let's see here, yeah, because it's the tureen, guana seed, ginger root, and green tea leaf extract. Yep. So that's all. That's the
green tea
Meta Plus propriety blend.
Yeah.
So that's what's going on in there again.
Natural caffeine.
So I mean, it's not bad, but as I said, just
okay.
grape. I wouldn't get it again.
I might stumble upon it and grab it.
Yeah.
But it's not terrible.
Yep.
So.
But if you're thinking grape popsicle, that's basically what you're going to taste. So, so there you go.
Grape slush.
I'd say probably. I mean, it wasn't bad. So I mean, I'd say SRT. It's just grape is my favorite. So I mean, good quality overall, but definitely not for me, anyways. To go and get every single time. That's for sure.
But it's nice for a growing company to have that broad of a flavor selection. So that's a good idea.
Yep. So anyways, try it out. Let us know if you have a favorite Celsius Energy flavor, and we'll see you guys here next time.
Yeah.
Bye bye.
Bye bye.